Today, I'm going over 10 tips and tricks that you may or may not know about your Rivian. Now let's dive in. Now, I know a lot of people don't use their key fob, but there are some hidden functionalities that may change your mind. We know that a double press will open and close the frunk, but when the frunk is in motion, you can pause the frunk with a single press or double press to change directions.
Next, when listening to podcasts via Bluetooth, use the left steering wheel toggle to skip forward 15 seconds. It's a great way to breeze past embedded ads and get straight to the content.
Did you know that you can quickly turn on or off the HVAC with a single press? All you have to do is press and hold the HVAC menu button in the dock at the bottom of the screen. A similar gesture allows you to turn on or off the heated seat with a single press, eliminating the need to cycle through the different levels. Press and hold the heated seat icon. This is useful to reset the heat to the highest level, as the vehicle will automatically reduce heat to the middle option after 30 minutes of use. If you're sitting in park with the doors fully locked, you can unlock the driver door manually by pulling twice on the door handle. More specific to the Rivian R1T, when the tailgate opens, the truck bed lights will automatically come on and stay on for 2 minutes. In order to turn them back on manually, you can simply click the tailgate button again on the exterior bed rail, which will keep them on for 10 minutes at a time. If you find that there is a specific app that is too loud, you can manually adjust audio levels. For example, if your navigation is yelling at you, click on the volume icon in the menu bar, press the music note, and a pop-up will appear with audio level adjustments for your music app, phone calls, navigation, and Alexa. If you would like to change what your driver display is showing you on the left side, you can cycle through different panels by pressing and holding down on either the left or right toggle of the left side of the steering wheel. Now, this is a carousel, so you can easily go back and forth or cycle through the current panels, which includes driving efficiency, tire pressure, media, and navigation. Now, many owners with kids realize quickly that they no longer want their children to have access to changing the music from the back seat. So the easiest way to lock the rear screen is to go into your quick controls by clicking on the vehicle in the top left corner of your toolbar. Then select quick controls and lock rear display. Our last tip today is the ability to send a destination to your Rivian from your phone to navigate to. When using your phone, type your destination into Apple or Google Maps, click the location and hit the share button. Scroll down and press send to your Rivian. The next time you get into your vehicle, the location that was sent will appear on your main screen. There you have it, 10 tips and tricks for your Rivian R1T or R1S. I hope you found this video to be very helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more Rivian news and tips and tricks. And remember, adventure is always out there.